Hi, today I'm predicting Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to turn off notification sound during calls on this device. So first let's open the phone application and then tap on the right upper corner to these three dots. Then click to the settings and tap to call, alerts and ringtone section. So now just to allow notification sounds in calls, we can see that this feature is activated. And just to turn off the notifications sounds during the calls or in calls, we should just click on the switcher to turn it off. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.